Ooh, okay, here we go. If they sit still, this could be really good.
It's a shockingly warm Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. in January with 2 hours of light left before sunset. Not a cloud in the sky, just beautiful weather. All right, let's gear up.
Leaving this early is kind of a catch-22, just because you have more daylight and more opportunity to see deer, but do you really? Because deer always like to come out more in the evenings than in the middle of the day. So is it late enough for the deer to start showing up? That is the question. I'm seeing some cows, but no deer or elk. Okay, here we go. First deer of the day. They're pretty far away, but I think we're going to still try to capture them. Looks like there's a couple bucks in the front there. Yeah, too bad they're not closer. Oh well, hopefully more to see. All right, let's get moving. Ah, this one's closer. Let's see if she waits for me to get my tripod up. Oh, she didn't stick around long. Dang, she was close too. There's a buck right across the street on the other side here. He's not sticking around either. Ooh, okay, here we go. If they sit still, this could be really good. We finally have some deer that are actually sitting still for us, so we can really get some good shots. These guys are in the shade right now, but that's actually fine with me, just because when it is harsh daylight like it is right now, sometimes those highlights and shadows can be tricky to manage at the same time, so shade kind of evens everything out. Oh, we even got some babies, cute little things. I like the dark tree as the backdrop for that buck. It really makes his horns stand out. All right, that was fun. Huh, normally I always see deer in these two fields, but today I'm not seeing anything. Even though these guys are close, I'm not in love with the area they're in, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like taking a gamble and seeing if we can find something better down the road before the sun sets. Yeah, I like these guys. Let's get a shot of them. That one's really watching me. It sucks that I can't get that beautiful mountain range in the back just because of the angle I'm shooting at, but that's okay. I'm still getting some pretty good shots of them. Oh, we even got a little spike over there. All right, they're starting to saunter off to the left. Oh, it's starting to get a little chilly now. It's past official sunset. We're definitely into the twilight lighting. Yeah, probably about only 10 minutes of shootable light left. All right, I think I found the last deer of the day. Overall, that was a pretty good day. I think we saw a lot. My favorite was definitely the shady scene with the close-up bucks and some of the does, but I really did like some of those bright orange golden hour shots as well. No elk or anything, just deer today. Elk are definitely harder to see, so they're not in every wildlife drive. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and please come back next Friday to check out my next video.